So does cupping actually help to increase the blood flow to the area, your range of motion, and pain? Well, let's find out. Cupping is a technique that has dated all the way back to 1550 BC. However, it was popularized in the media in 2016 when Michael Phelps had cupping marks all over his body at the Olympics. Cupping is a technique that utilizes plastic, glass, bamboo, and other materials to create negative pressure on the skin in order to help to create a massage-like effect. Now, there's a variety of cupping techniques that uses bloodletting and fire and movement. However, we're going to be focusing on dry cupping, stationary and mobile. Cupping is believed to help to improve fatigue and DOMS by increasing the blood flow to the area, resulting in oxygenation and removal of toxins and waste. It's also proposed to help to improve pain through the initiation of inhibitory processes in the nervous system at the dorsal horn. Lastly, it is believed to improve range of motion by breaking down fascia and scar tissue that is inhibiting your full range of motion. But Edwin, what is the evidence saying? To start off, the evidence isn't that great. The journal impact factors are really low, and on top of that, the results say that there is low to moderate levels of evidence that cupping can help to improve pain, range of motion, and other effects that are proposed. On top of that, the sample sizes are really small, so it doesn't really cover the whole population. So you need to understand that cupping is just like any other modality, and that it can help to improve pain, and it shouldn't be your first priority, but rather a supplement to your training and to address any pain or limitations. Now that we have gotten all the information related to the mechanism of cupping and the evidence behind it, let's go ahead and start off by talking about how to cup yourselves. So there are two methods of cupping that I'm going to talk about. One is stationary, and it just stays in the same spot and you'll get those giant circular bruise marks. And the other one is a moving or mobile cupping, where you move the cup up and down the muscle or around or any other direction with the pressure being applied. Now, it's important to note again that you will get bruising in the area, and depending on how light or dark your skin, it might show less and it might show more. So if you plan on going on stage or performing, it's probably not a good idea if it's gonna show. Now with the mobile cupping, you can still get marks, especially if you're of lighter or fairer skin, because as you start to move through that motion, it could end up causing some deep reddening along the muscle. So to start off, you wanna make sure that you clean the skin and that there is not too much hair in the area. If there is, then you might want to shave that hair off, and you can apply some lotion in order to increase the suction. You are then going to grab yourself a cup, and you want to make sure that the pin is not locked in, and you want to pull it out and attach it to the pump. You are then going to apply the cup to the area that you want to treat, and you're going to give it 2 to 3 pumps, and you're going to take off the pump and leave the cup on or cups on, and you're going to apply it for about 5 minutes. You do not want to apply it for more because it's not going to create any more of a beneficial effect. So it's that simple. All you have to do is apply the cup and sit there. Now, after the 5 minutes, it's up to you whether or not you want to do something active. So if you cup the wrist flexors, you can go ahead and flex the wrist over and over again if you want a deeper massage. Now, if you want to do a mobile cupping, you're going to go ahead and follow those same steps and apply the cup to the skin, but make sure that you pump only like 1 or 2 times. And you're going to move the cup up and down the skin, and it's up to you whether or not you want to attach the tube to both the pump and the cup in order to maintain that pressure in case some of the pressure leaves the cup, but you really don't need to, so it's more of a preference. And once the area becomes nice and bright red, you can go ahead and pull the pin out and take off the cup. Now, it's that simple. It's honestly a really nice and easy way and lazy way to massage the area, and I actually do enjoy doing this myself. Now, if you have any questions about cupping, you can go ahead and leave it in the comments or message me privately. I'll do my best to respond. Until next time, peace.